Hey everyone, I'm thrilled that so many of you love the content on my channel. Today, we're diving deeper to address all the questions left unanswered. In this video, I'll show you how to make up to $110,000 a month with Pinterest. We'll cover how to pick a profitable niche, find high-converting affiliate products, and correctly tag your pins for maximum promotion. And the best part? You don't need any experience or money to get started, just Wi-Fi and a laptop or phone. By the end of this video, you'll have my exact strategy to go from $0 to $10,000, so you can start making commissions ASAP. But before we dive in, let me introduce myself. For those who are new, hi, I'm Ideal. I'm here to help you achieve the laptop lifestyle you deserve. If that sounds good, drop a laptop emoji in the comments, and let's get started. Most of you probably know what affiliate marketing is, but for those who are new, it's a business model where you promote someone else's products or services and earn a commission for every sale or referral. Why choose Pinterest for affiliate marketing? With over 450 million monthly users, Pinterest is one of the best free traffic sources out there. You never have to spend a penny on ads. First things first, you need to choose your niche. Picking the right niche is essential for success. Look for niches with visually appealing products like fashion, interior design, food, or fitness. These niches have high potential for viral aesthetic pins. For example, I don't have a finance-based Pinterest because finance content doesn't perform well on the platform. My top performing accounts are in the lifestyle and home decor niches, bringing in $144,000 in 1 month. Finding good affiliate products. One of the most common questions I get is which affiliate programs to sign up for. This depends on your niche, so you'll need to do some research. Look for top affiliate programs in your chosen niche using sites like ClickBank or simply by Googling best affiliate programs in your niche. Sign up for these programs, generate your affiliate links, and set them aside for now. You'll use these links when you start optimizing your Pinterest account. Optimizing your Pinterest account. Having a well-optimized Pinterest account is crucial. Switch to a business account if you haven't already. Add an image or logo related to your niche as your profile picture and banner. Make everything look cohesive using tools like Canva. Use a keyword-optimized username and bio to improve your search engine ranking. Create at least 5 to 10 boards with 20 pins each, using specific keywords to name your boards. For example, instead of a general streetwear board, create specific boards like cargo pants or leather jackets. Creating and posting pins. Post consistently, aiming for 2 to 5 pins per day. Use a mix of unique pins and repurposed content from platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Make sure to credit the original creators and remove any watermarks from TikTok videos using tools like TickSave. Focus on idea pins to expand your reach, but also post standard pins with your affiliate links tagged. Describe everything in your pins thoroughly to maximize your chances of appearing in both Pinterest and Google searches. Adding affiliate links to pins. There are 3 main ways to add your affiliate links to Pinterest. Link in profile. Use a landing page or link aggregator like Beacons or Linktree in your profile. Tagging products. Tag products directly in your pins to minimize steps for your potential customers. Direct links. Add shortened affiliate links directly to your pins. Use link shorteners like Genius Link to avoid your pins being flagged as spam. Growth strategies and final tips. Utilize tools like Canva Pro to batch create and schedule your pins, saving you time. Consider hiring freelancers to manage your account once it starts generating revenue. And most importantly, be patient and consistent. Building traffic and making money with Pinterest takes time, but it's a proven strategy. Finally, a shout out to Amara, one of our subscribers who made her first commission using these methods. Congratulations! If you're serious about Pinterest, check out this video where I teach you 7 ways to monetize your Pinterest account as a complete beginner. That's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments. Peace and love, and I'll catch you in the next one.